Moisture, traffic, and daily use can quickly wear down an unprotected restroom floor. At SCSI, we restore and protect concrete surfaces with a proven multi-step process designed for long-term performance. We begin by honing the concrete using a 100 or 200 grit resin to remove contaminants, refine the surface, and create the ideal profile for coating adhesion. Once the floor is properly prepared and cleaned, we apply a two-part vapor barrier. Designed specifically to protect concrete while maintaining its natural appearance, the coating penetrates deep into the surface to provide lasting protection. After the coating is applied, we perform a sand screen process to ensure a uniform surface and proper finish development. We then apply a next-generation hard surface coating to help reduce moisture transmission and maximize long-term performance. The end result is a stain and acid-resistant finish engineered for performance, safety, and long-lasting protection. With improved coefficient of friction that performs in both wet and dry conditions. It also helps mitigate mold and mildew concerns while protecting the concrete substrate, an important advantage in moisture-prone restroom environments. To learn more about restroom floor restoration and protection, visit scsi1.com.